Welcome to Inset Data Bytes. Data Bytes is a weekly newsletter that brings to you best handpicked solutions and stories from all across the world in the field of data science, ML, and AI. In this week's edition of Data Bytes, here are our top 5 stories. Make sure to check out the links in description so that you get the full scope of every feature. 2020 video newsletter edition of Data Bytes, and we have the top 5 stories ready for you this week that would keep you busy. The first story that we have for you is what is computer vision and how is it being used. Computer vision, if you don't know, is the ability of the computers to see or also understand what they're seeing. So this has obviously found large-scale applications in different domains and different industries, and this article is a very interesting read when it comes to the different applications of computer vision. Now, we've talked about the different kind of technologies that go into a technique like computer vision, and also how Microsoft has now claimed that 96.5% of accuracy is achieved in every product that deploys computer vision in Microsoft, which is a big statement because this means that out of all the data that is fed to a product only or a machine, only 4% is the error rate with which the machine responds. Now, there are different applications of this technology, including image processing in the healthcare industry, digital image processing, which is very important for detecting conditions, monitoring them over time, or self-driving cars, or facial recognition. You can relate to it by understanding the tagging, auto tagging filters that or features that are in some platforms like Facebook, sometimes even on your phone. And also it's very important in security installations for face detection as well. The second story that we have for you is applications of data science and AI in healthcare information technology. Now, this has been written by Prem Ranjan, who has previously won the Data Science Budding Leader Award in 2019. Prem has been involved in the healthcare domain for a larger part of his career and is the best person this kind of an article could actually come from. He has discussed how AI is being used and will be used in the healthcare industry, not only to better diagnose patient conditions, better diagnose or better monitor the health hazards that might inflict a person, but also how they can cut down on operational costs and turnaround times when it comes to patient handling. A lot of different ideas have been discussed in this article, which is very important. So if you're in the healthcare industry or if you're inclined towards the healthcare industry, then this article is a very important read for you. Digital image processing is something we've already discussed in the previous article, but this article will give you an in-depth insight on how exactly is it used and what different technologies are used in the healthcare information technology section. Now, the third story that we have for you is how NLP is changing the face of modern businesses. So while computer vision allows computers to see, NLP allows computers to read. Now, why is that important is that so far what's been happening is that we feed computers with instructions in a language that is better understood by them, different kind of programming languages. But NLP is a technique that helps computers understand instructions and follow instructions in human language. So that is a big leap for us as well. And NLP is something you'll encounter in Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, all these voice-to-text technologies that are being used extensively nowadays. You must have also seen it in Grammarly or in speech-to-text translations. And Google has also made a declaration that around 95% of its products, like 95% of what is said by the user is correctly interpreted by something like Google Assistant, which is a big achievement as well. Chatbots are now used by almost all businesses to cut down on the turnaround time and to cut down on the query resolution time that customers go through. So this is also a big achievement that is being deployed across businesses. You must check out the article to understand the depth of NLP and the reach of NLP when it comes to modern businesses. The Insight Spotlight article that we have for you this week is Soma Das from DS Digital. Soma is a subject matter expert from July 2019 cohort of the Global Certificate in Data Science batch at Insight. Now, Soma has been a mathematics enthusiast all her life, so she has really not faced a lot of issues when it comes to dealing with the maths and the stats of data science, but she's someone who does not have an extensive coding background, and her journey would be very interesting and would be very relatable for people who do not have that technical expertise as well. So make sure that you check out this article or this interview from Sona Das. The last story that we have for you this week is a differentiation article between machine learning and data mining. So, if you are inclined towards any one of these domains when it comes to career making, this article will let you know exactly what is included and what are the roles and responsibilities of the professions that are covered under these two different spheres. And you can make a comparative analysis and you can see where you better fit as a person. So, machine learning and data mining is what's been differentiated in this article. You can also see, obviously, these are not domains that have nothing in common. There's a lot in common, and there is a lot of intersection between these two spheres. So, what we've also done is that we've made you understand, not only address the differences between the two spheres, but we've also talked about the similarities and how does one fit into the other. So, this is a very important read for you as well if you are when you're planning to move to big organizations with bigger, better teams, to understand the distinguish between the different roles and delegation of responsibilities. This is very, very important. One of the major differences between data machine learning and data mining is that machine learning is an improvised process in which machines learn from the previous mistakes and continuously improve, while data mining is a relatively standardized process where whatever you have fed to the machines, whatever instructions you are given to a machine, will be followed till the end of the project. So these are the stories this week that you should definitely check out, and we'll be back next week. More such stories. Please let us know how did you find this episode in the comment section, and stay tuned.